We are back. This is going to be an update on investing $3 every single day in the stock market on days the stock market is open. Last time I updated you guys, I was done investing $2 every day in the stock market for the last 1 year. But since I enjoy making these videos, I'm here to show you guys what is the process of investing $3 from this point on in a year. And with so much things going on in the market, when you dollar cost, these type of scenarios don't really matter in our position because we're putting money in any way where we are comfortable, either when it goes down or even when it comes up. So let me just show you guys the 3-month progress that we got so far. As you guys know, for this journey, what I've been using is the app called Robinhood. The reason why I'm using Robinhood is because number one, you can buy fractional shares. Number two, easy to use. And number three, many people know Robinhood. That being said, let me just open this app and let me just show you guys what we got so far. And as you guys can see, this is our progress. We have a total of $3,318 with 67 cents. The total so far that we got in the market contributions throughout this year is $854. So far, this is our progress. For some of you guys, probably this is not enough. The fact that there's $3,000 in 3 years, I know it doesn't seem a lot, but this is just dollar costings. That being said, let me just show you guys what we got so far in this 3 months. As you guys can see, the market right now is a little low. This is our 1-day progress. Now let me just show you guys what progress has been in the past week. As you guys can see, we are down a total of $2.03, which is coming down to be a total of 6% negative in the past week. Like I said, I know this is how it goes. The market has been playing real scary numbers. It has been very volatile for the past few days. That's just how the market is. Like I said, we're here to invest in the long term. Now this is our 1-month progress. As you guys can see, throughout this whole month, we are actually been up $60 overall, which is coming out to be a total of 1.85% back. Yes, this is exactly how much we got in the past month. Like I said, very volatile. As you guys can see, it just goes up, it comes down, it goes up, and now it's coming down again. But that's just how the market is at the moment. Now, in the past 3 months, we are down $62 with 29 cents, which is coming out to be a negative of 1.84%. What can I say? I'm not complaining. It is what it is. Also, in the year to date, this is where we are. We are up actually $17 with 46 cents, which is coming out to be a total of 0.53% positive. Now, let me just show you guys the overall progress because this is where we really see the big picture. And as you guys can see, this is how it has been going. The highest number we've been is $3,428, and our all-time low has been a total of $3,025. So overall, we're up $272 with 53 cents, and this is coming out to be a total positive $8 with 95 cents. Overall, I know the SP 500 is supposed to give us a 10% yearly overall, but as you guys know, I'm not really invested in the SP 500. I'm actually invested in other things which pays more dividends. Let me just show you guys exactly what stocks I've been investing in and how much we have been getting paid, because ETFs that I've chosen was ETFs that pay dividends. So they pay dividends, they pay us for just having this type of stock. And as you guys see, these are the stocks that we are invested in. We have a total of $3,277, and in my opinion, it's great to have simple ETFs and just a small amount ETFs, because having a small amount of stocks to manage is way more simpler than having 10 to 20 stocks at the same time, unless you have a big capital. But as you guys know, the reason why I'm actually doing this is to show the everyday person exactly how easy it is to invest. That is the reason why I'm actually not investing more than $5, because a lot of people cannot afford $5 throughout this time. That being said, the first stock that we investing in is VYM. And the reason why I'm investing in VYM is because similar to the SP 500, and at the same time, it is a high dividend yield ETF, meaning that it is most likely to pay more in dividends rather than less in dividends. At the same time, it is more cheaper than the SP 500 stock. That is the reason why I chose VYM. And for VYM, as you guys can see, we have a total shares of 10.4 shares so far, market value of $1,337. So far, we are positive at $107. Now, let me just show you guys exactly how much dividends we got got so far with VYM. As you guys can see, I do not lie, these are my dividend buys every single day throughout these 3 months. As you guys can see, these are our dividends that we got paid so far. In the last 3 years, we started off at 28 cents, and from 28 cents to $7 with 83 cents. In my opinion, that is a great amount of dividend pay. With 28 cents, you really can't do nothing, but with $7.83, we are close to almost $10 to get paid in a quarter month just off a dividend. In my opinion, it's a great progress. Overall, this is the amount that we got so far. Now, let me show you guys the next ETF. For the next ETF is going to be an ETF fairly new in the market. This ETF has been in the market just for less than 10 years. So the fact that I'm investing in this is fairly risky, but at the same time, the reason why I'm getting into this ETF is because it pays monthly. Once I heard monthly, I was hooked. At the same time, I saw similar results to the SP 500. At the same time, it's from JP Morgan. The one that I'm talking about is JIPI. So far we got a total of 21 shares, and our market value is coming out to be a total of $1,207. Our total return so far is coming down to be negative $19 with 48 cents, which is coming down to be a negative of 1.59%. Let me just show you guys what we're really here for, which is the dividends, because that is what got me hooked. This is how much we got paid in dividends so far. So we started off at 5 cents, and from dollar costing every single day, not thinking about it twice, our most recent dividend payout is coming out to be $9 with 96 cents. This is what dividend and compound interest looks like. That is just almost over 1000% in just dividends, in growth, by just putting money in and just letting it run for itself. As you guys can see, this is just how it's been going so far. Now for the next ETF that I've been investing in is another ETF. This ETF has been growing in the last few years, and tech, in my opinion, with the AI boom going on, tech is going to grow even quicker. It is similar to the Nasdaq itself. That is the reason why I chose this ETF. And as you guys can see, tech overall has just been showing its bad side in the short term, but as you guys know, slow and steady always wins the race. Let me just show you guys exactly how much shares we got. And for shares, we got a total of 14 shares with 11. Market value is coming out to be a total of 734 cents. And our total return overall is coming down to be negative of 4.28%. This is coming out to be negative $32 with 95 cents. The fact that we get to buy these lows, in my opinion, these lows is what's really going to show in the long term. So now let me just show you guys the dividends. And as you guys can see, these are recurring buys. Like I'm telling you guys, I do not lie. These is just our results. As you guys can see, we start off at $1 with 87 cents. The reason why I got this is because I put money in from the beginning, and slowly but surely this came out to be to a total of $7 with 63 cents. Yes, this is what we get overall in the last month. I know it does not seem a lot, but like I said, this is just money we put in, we don't think about, and we're just letting it ride no matter what. But overall, from starting off from $1 with 87 cents to $7 with 63 cents, not really that hard to explain, but as you guys can see, progress is what really shows in the market. So this is just a progress, and the fact that it's still growing, in my opinion, that's a green flag overall. But that being said, this is just my overall results. These are my actual numbers. In my opinion, I feel like we're still doing good. If the market comes down, I feel like it's a great time to buy, and $2 cost in these type of low numbers is like buying stocks at a discount. I'm not really seeing this as a bad thing. I'm seeing this as a good thing in the long term, in my opinion, overall. So that being said, these are my actual numbers. What do you guys think? Do you guys think these are good results, bad results, or terrible results? Leave a comment down below. Give me your guys' opinion. What do you guys think about this type of project? I'm not gonna stop right now. I'm gonna just keep doing this until the year ends. I'm just here to show you guys the results, also to just educate you guys how easy it is to invest in the market. That being said, I'll catch you guys another time. Remember to hit the like button for the algorithm. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this, and also if you're interested in starting something like this, remember to use the link down below so you guys can start and open your own account in Robinhood. Remember, the link is down there. I'm gonna keep doing this, and in the next few months, I'm here to show you guys my results. That being said, take care, be safe, and we are out.